YouTube, Instacart Shoppers, Shipt Shoppers, Grubhub, DoorDash, all rideshare shoppers / drivers. This video's for you. Today I'm just driving, shopping. I want to get to the point where I'm making videos like every day, pretty much. So if anybody has any advice on video editing and things of that nature, comment below, let me know. Other than that, we'll get to the tips, no further ado. Tip number 1, make sure you have reliable signal on your phone. If you're waiting for batches or orders through Grubhub, whatever, any one of the rideshare providers that are kind of booming right now, you're gonna need reliable reception. Tip number 1. Tip number 2, besides reliable reception, all this is off the fly, but I've been shopping like crazy, so I kind of just wanted to get it out while I'm going. Tip number 2, sense of urgency. You gotta have a sense of urgency when you're walking through the stores. If you're not gonna have a sense of urgency, at least have it to the point where you know the store you're shopping in. That way you move quick enough and you respond quick enough to the items that you need and the aisle that you know it's gonna be in. So you don't necessarily have to have the sense of urgency. But when I'm shopping Instacart out here, I see in the stores, it's like they're not hustling, it's a hustle, it's a money game. It's a business. You are an independent contractor for Instacart, for Grubhub, so you need to be a little quick about it. Customer service is quick service, if you ask me. Tip number 3, look appropriate. Look appropriate, look approachable, have a smile, talk to people, make fun out of your day. If you look like you're having a shitty day every time you're delivering or at the store, people see that. And I don't know, if you ask me, it transfers out. People feed off of your energy. So if you're not really the most outgoing person, that's perfectly fine, but at the very least you need to make sure that you're being approachable. Sorry, I'm driving as we're going. I know that's not the safest, but I had to get the video out. It's my new commitment. My new commitment to you, YouTube, and all those fans that I plan to gain in the future. Fans is, I guess that's not the right word. More like this community that I'm trying to build. Because I want to make money, you want to make money. I'm just trying to figure out the best way to do it. I'm hoping my ideas might spur inspiration in you, and your ideas, comments, likes, dislikes, critiques can do the same for me.